Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make Homestyle Tonkotsu broth. And here are my ingredients. I have some pork and chicken bones, some alliums, dry spices, and some vegetables. Heat up a skillet with some oil and start searing off the pork and chicken bones. And turn them as they caramelize, getting all the sides of the bones. After they're nicely caramelized, put them in a stock pot. Using the same pan, start caramelizing your onions, ginger, garlic, and scallions. Once those are done, you could also toss those in the stock pot. Then deglaze the pan with some cooking wine and a cup of water. Make sure to scrape off all the fond and then also throw this into the pot. Then I'm adding in the rest of the ingredients, the Parmesan Rind, carrots, cilantro, peppercorns, bay leaf, cinnamon, coriander seeds, and Star Anise. Finally, I add in 2.5 quarts of water. Now cover with the lid and bring it to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, I let it go for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, I put in another quart of water. I turn up the heat and I let it go at a rolling boil for another 2 hours. After 4 hours of boiling, it's ready to be strained. I'm going to make a small bowl for myself to taste. I'm adding in some black pepper and salt and bringing it back up to a boil. And there you have it, Homestyle Tonkotsu broth. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.